Hi, I'm Kathy and welcome to my kitchen. It is Vlogmas day 14. Can you believe it, 14? It's kind of scary because that means it's only what? 22, no, I mean like 12 days away from Christmas or something. So, I don't know about you, but I'm not quite ready for it. Anyways, so today we're going to make another Christmas cookie from the basic Christmas cookie dough. And I decided I'm gonna do something a little different, Florida style. So let's get baking or put the lime in the coconut cookies. And just so you know, the recipe is down below in the description. And also while you're at it, why don't you give me a thumbs up for liking this video and hit subscribe and hit that little bell so you don't miss my next video. So here are the coconut key lime Christmas cookies. Aren't they pretty? Oh my goodness. They came out so wonderful and they're so good. I already took one, but I'll have to get another one. So let's try this. They're so light and buttery and just a little hint of lime, not too tart. It's so good, and it's really getting hard to decide which one has been my favorite. Lucky hubby, he's getting to try all of them, and I'm gonna have to make them all again before the weekend because my grandsons are coming. So I hope you like this video. I hope you give me a thumbs up. I hope you try these recipes because it's super easy using the basic cookie dough and then adding different ingredients to make different kinds of cookies. So until tomorrow for another day of Vlogmas, I'll see you later. Bye.